Hey, hey, what? Ray Mac, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey YouTube family, what's up? This your boy Ray Mac. Yes, we're gonna do the dang thing today. I got some ground beef, y'all. We're gonna make us some beef tacos. So I got about 80-20. This is 80-20, 1.5 pound of ground beef, and I'm pressing it out into this here non-stick skillet. Follow this here recipe. You're gonna love it. I guarantee you right now. Don't you go nowhere. So I got some of this here Fire and Smoke Society burger seasoning. I love this stuff, y'all. I said it countless of times. You can get this at Walmart. And if you do try their products, I guarantee you will not be disappointed. I'm not getting paid for this. I bought this with my own money. But I'm telling you, if you try this here recipe, you're gonna love it. So the next thing I got one onion that I'm gonna basically dice up, y'all. I'm gonna dice this onion up real good. Check it out. Now we got our onion diced up. I want to go ahead and flip this meat over. Yes, sir. It's browned on one side. We're going to brown it on the other side. Don't worry about fully cooking this meat because it's going to be fully cooked. But look, check this out, y'all. What if I made one big old giant patty burger? You know what I'm saying? Look how big that burger patty is right there. I bet you that'll make a killer burger. What you guys think? Comment below. Come on, somebody. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up this here ground beef. And then from there, we're going to season this baby up. So let's go ahead and chop this baby up right now. Don't go nowhere. So we're going to toss in our diced onions. And once we got our diced onions tossed in, we're going to mix this baby up, making sure that we can incorporate some of these onions together. We're going to let the onions cook in for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're going to go to the next step. And the next step is seasoning this baby up. So I got some of this here minced garlic and parsley in the jar. You can use whatever kind of garlic seasoning you want, or you could just use the regular garlic and press it yourself. I'm going with about a good 2 tablespoons with this. Then I got me some salt. I want to add some salt to this. Add about a good teaspoon if you must. And then we're going to add in some of this here cayenne pepper, okay? I want you to add in at least around about a good teaspoon of the cayenne pepper. And then I want you to go ahead and add in some of the cumin, y'all. It's going to give this good flavor. Add in at least around about a teaspoon of this. But I want you to do what your ancestors say do. Stop until your ancestors say stop. Trust and believe me, they won't steer you wrong. And then we're going to add in some of this here black pepper. The black pepper, I just love black pepper in my meat, y'all. So I'm going to ask you if you can put in about a half of tablespoon of black pepper. And then I'm going to ask you to put in some of this here chili powder. Remember, if you ask your ancestors to guide you on how much seasoning to put in, they will lead you in the right direction. So I also got some of this here beef base. This is Tone's beef base. I found this at Sam's. This is going to give me a nice flavor to my meat, okay? It's going to help moisten it up at the same time, but yet give me some nice flavor. So I got some water that I mixed it in with, and I'm adding it to the pot. Now, with that being said, with all these seasonings in here and the garlic, we're going to mix everything together. We're going to bring all of this together, and we're going to make some nice smooth tacos, and they're going to taste good with this seasoned meat. Look how seasoned this meat is already. But if you could look down here, look at the juice. I'm telling you, we're going to get mad flavor all up in here. Boy, y'all with Ray Mac now. I'm telling y'all right now. So another thing I want to do, I want to spice it up just a little bit with some of these here diced jalapenos. You don't have to add this if you don't want, but for me, I got to have it. So I'm putting in about 2 tablespoons of diced jalapenos along with some of that juice just to give it some nice flavor and nice taste to this baby. Now, once that's done, y'all, I want to go ahead and I want to drain this here meat, but let me show you how I do it. Don't throw away them pie pans. I'm telling you, you're going to need it. I'm using my non-stick skillet on medium-high heat. I'm putting in some olive oil, and I just want to submerge this olive oil all around in that pan. I got me some corn tortillas. So I'm just going to lace 3 corn tortillas up in this here non-stick skillet, and I want it to brown up a little bit. It's going to take a few minutes, that's all. And then with that being said, I'm using some mozzarella cheese. You can use whatever cheese of your choice. If you want to go with pepper jack, go with pepper jack. If you want to go with a nice Mexican blend, go with the nice Mexican blend. Whatever cheese floats your boat, that's what you use. I'm using some mozzarella cheese. Now, with that being said, I want to go ahead and make this baby up. So I'm hungry right now, y'all. I'm telling you right now, I'm hungry as I can all be. But now I'm going to go ahead and toss in my ground beef, that seasoned up ground beef in these here corn tortillas. And with that being said, you want to flip this baby over, make you a nice old taco once your corn tortillas begin to brown on each side. And then once that's done, you could go ahead and plate this baby up however you feel like it. Throw you some pico de gallo on it, whatever you want to throw on your taco, beef taco, make it your own. Come on here, y'all. Don't you go nowhere. Do me a favor and comment below. Tell me exactly what you like on your tacos and what type of tacos do you like fixing for yourself. I'm telling you, with this particular recipe, you've got to give this a try, y'all. I was inspired to make this by watching a TikTok video, and I added a few of my own twists to this here, and it was delicious. It was definitely delicious, y'all. So I made a few of these already. I think I ate 2 before I even finished cooking these babies up, but they were good. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I went and I put me some pico de gallo on this here, and then I also put on some Tahitian hot sauce on these here babies, and they were bussin'. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, these things was good. They was real good. Subscribe to Ray Matt's Kitchen and Grill. Do me a favor, y'all. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Love and not hate. Peace.